In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to animate text in video clip on Google Vids. First, open up your project, then select the clip where you want animated text on the timeline. Then next is click on the text box of the text that you would like to animate. Then next is highlight the specific text that you want to animate. And here, this mini toolbar will then appear. All you have to do is click on the animation icon. It looks like this. And instantly, the animation panel will open up. Here, you can choose from options like fade, slide, bounce, or typewriter. So all you have to do is select your desired animation. You can also adjust the duration by scrolling through the slider. And at the bottom, you can also separate enter and exit animations. Basically, you can choose a specific animation just for enter and for exit. You can also choose specific animation for loop. Once applied, preview your clip to see how the animated text looks. You can tweak the timing or style until it matches your video perfectly. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!